Hey, what's up, everyone? This is your boy Will. This is the King Channel TV. I am back with another video. Of course, y'all know what to do. Click that like, share, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you click that notification bell. Well, without further ado, let's get started.
He just don't know how to deal with it.
Yeah.
We are in a time where mothers have to stop acting like something went wrong and realize, well, I did, and I have to try and fix that, maybe even speak on it, so the next generation got a better chance. And it starts with educating your boys. I don't give a fuck about all that math and shit in school. That ain't shit.
That's not real life.
You add, you subtract, maybe you learn how to multiply. Maybe a little division, maybe a little bit division. After all that fractions and shit,
Exactly.
that ain't nothing but a waste of everybody's time.
Yeah, you ain't gonna use that later.
That math class where you missed something and they made you feel like you stupid because you missed something and you don't know how to add this stuff up the right way. I tell all you youngsters, you ain't missing shit. You ain't gonna use none of that shit in the game of life. Math class is a fucking waste of time.
Ooh, that's real good,
Hold on.
Gilman.
Sometimes mothers look at their sons not as an individual, but rather the son of the man they hate the most. That's why sometimes they don't give their sons the game.
I think that goes with any child when a mother acts like that with their. I've seen it. That again, I'm around.
I done
that
seen
age.
bitches. I done seen bitches hate their daughters because their daughter prettier than them. I'm telling you.
Oh, yeah.
I done seen it.
That's true.
Well, bitches, I don't
saw
like that bitch.
Yeah, I don't know about
Because the bitch look good and she get more of these than I get. I was just at 7-Eleven and I saw this big old thick girl. I couldn't tell her age, but then her mama walked up. I didn't know it was her mama because they both looked like they the same age. The lady said, yeah, because the girl had on a shirt that said Tennessee, and she played softball at Tennessee or something like that. But the reason I noticed her, because she had on these shorts and shit, and they was them big old thick girls. But I could tell the mama wanted me to know this is my daughter. Because I couldn't tell. I said, I don't even know how old they are, but the mama wanted me to know it's her daughter. So just like any nigga would do, I got the mama number, so I'm gonna fuck the mama then since I can't fuck the daughter. That's what I did. She grown, she in college, you wanna step up for her, I just fuck you, and then her daughter get to see who I am the other way. This is how life goes. Because
Your mama teach you anything that really knows.
I'm gonna teach her daughter indirectly on how cold this world is.
Oh,
I ain't
my
gonna
God.
dog the mama out, but I see the mama. The mama got hope. They took a picture with me. They was like, "We love you." I was like, "I'm on my way there now." They was like, "Ah!"
That's right. Yeah.
But I'm just saying, this is how the game of life goes. Wait a minute, how do you educate when you don't want to take accountability? Deep shit.
Right.
This is a show where I can talk to some of you ladies and let you ladies know we've made mistakes with these kids. And it ain't just, oh, his daddy wasn't in his life. You hear that all the time. Y'all,
Yeah.
the daddy ain't in the life most of the time. The daddy ain't around. If the daddy wasn't close to you in a certain kind of way, he not gonna be there for the kid.
Right.
If you haven't figured that out yet, let me give it to you again. If you and that man make a baby and he not close to you, he's not going to be there for the kid. He's still going to show up for pussy.
Yeah, you can't dirty up the dude like that. You chose him. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of times those women don't want to realize that. Like, actually, I chose this fella.
You talk about hater bitches,
But that's
because that's what they are.
right.
They hater bitches.
And they'll
They
take it
want
out
to
on the kid.
demagnetize the father so they can feel like they somebody
But
special.
like
That's
you
a
said,
hater bitch.
accountability. Right. She's not taking accountability like, ooh, my bad, baby. I didn't see. This is half my fault too. You know what I'm saying?
Even sometimes, even when the father's there, he's there, but he's not there.
He's checked out, you mean? Or
Yeah, I mean,
What do you mean he's there, he's not there? Explain so I can
well,
understand.
the thing is, some fathers are in their kids' life all their life, but they didn't do anything with them. They didn't take them anywhere. They didn't play ball with them. They didn't teach them anything. All they taught them was for them to cheat.
Oh, those
And never
kind
be
of-
there for the
there's
family.
those guys too.
Right, I'm trying to make sure I understand. So a dad can live with the kids
Yeah,
and never teach them nothing but cheating?
But the thing is,
I think that's impossible. I'm just giving it to you.
what is someone?
I think that's impossible for
Listen.
a man to be there living in the house and the only thing he teach him how to do is cheat.